G'day and welcome to the Autodata Training workshop. Today I'd like to talk to you about air filters and highlight the importance of just how much air an engine needs to operate efficiently. To highlight this, we'll talk about the stoichiometric air-fuel ratio, which is the perfect air-fuel ratio. For a petrol engine, it's 14.7 parts of air to 1 part fuel, but it's by weight and not volume like a lot of people think. Here I have 1 litre of water, which obviously weighs 1 kilogram. If that was filled with fuel, fuel's a little bit lighter than water, it'd weigh about 0.72 of a kilogram. So if I get 0.72 and times it by 14.7, I'm going to come up with a figure of 10.584. So I need 10.584 kilograms of air to burn 1 litre of fuel. But how much volume of air is that? Well, that depends on many things like the temperature of the day, atmospheric pressure, altitude, etc. But basically, if that was filled with air, I'd need between 10,000 to 12,500 litres of air to burn 1 litre of fuel. So that just shows you how important the air filter is to the efficient operation of an engine. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment. Or if you want continual up-to-date automotive technical training, why not consider an Autodata Training subscription? Thanks for watching.